Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. If you are new, I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and I post on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. Today I have a really cute treat box and this is what I'm sharing. I am highlighting a new bundle coming because, oh my gosh, y'all, just look at these flowers. Are they not just so pretty? I love this, and I use those new dies, and I'll tell you what they are in a minute because I think it's Stylish Shapes. I haven't remembered all these things yet. May 3rd comes the new catalog, so it's just like 3 days away, y'all. So get your wish lists going because, oh my gosh. And by the way, the retiring list, if you haven't gotten what you wanted off that retiring list, it goes away May 2nd. So by the end of the day, May 2nd, it's going to be gone and our new catalog will be coming out. So just a heads up for that. So get your orders in. And then this is the bundle. Happiness Abounds. I used this already once. These roses are absolutely gorgeous. I used one right here. I used this one. I think on the last project I used this little one right here. I can't remember actually. And then I'm using this flower here. I'm using all these, the leaves and this little flower here, and then I'm using the friend. But you can use any of these sentiments. You can even make it for Mother's Day. And you can use it Happy Birthday. I was going to do happy birthday, but I thought of a friend, and I'm going to be going to lunch with pretty soon, so I thought this would be really cute. And what I put in it are these Reese's Blossom Cups. So I just turned them where you could see the color of these, but it fits 8 of them in there, but you can put anything in here. Little cookies, Little Debbie or something like that would be cute, but this is what they look like. The Reese's Blossom Tops. They're really, really good too. I love Reese's anyway, but these are really cute too. So this is what I'm sharing today. I just love this. I'm using this whole bundle, the Happiness Abounds, because I'm using the dies as well. So they're the Blossoming Happiness dies. This comes as a bundle starting May 3rd. Because sometimes I have people ask they couldn't get their order in, and it's because they don't go live until May 3rd. If you buy the bundle, you save 10% by buying the stamp set and the dies, coordinating dies for it. So these are the dies. I've showed these in my haul. You saw everything I got. I didn't put them on my magnetic sheet yet, but it comes with this. This actually embosses. It's really pretty. And then it has, this is like a paper, this edge of a paper. And then this is just a little dotted, not dotted, but slashed piece right here. It's really cute too. I did run these all through. I should have brought them up here to show you. And then all the dies, and I'm using most of these dies on this project. So that is that. And then I am also using the Stylish Shapes, which is this one here. These are my favorite. I used these also already on a project. I'm using the narrower one right here for my friend, but these are all the dies I'm using for this. And then I'm using the little circle, and I'll tell you the size of that. I'll tell you right now before I forget. Sometimes I tell you I'm going to tell you and I forget. It's 2 by 2, so it's a 2-inch circle. All right, and then it's got the squares, and I love how it shows the little stitching around the top of the box. It's just really cute. So you can see it here, and it also cuts it out on the, I did save the little circles. Let me grab it and I'll show you. It cuts it out on the little circle as well. I hope you can see that. All right. So also, my hostess code will be on my blog for those of you who want to place an order. I'm filming this early. So April is over. May is here. Today is the first day of May. So look on my blog for that, and I'll have it the next video. I'm going to show you also an easy way to do this box, and so we don't have to worry too much about a lot of measurements. And I've showed this before, but for those of you who are new, you were going to see how I did that. But I love these flowers, and I did it in crumb cake because I wanted it all to be focused on these flowers. So you can do it however you like. So I did pre-cut and stamp some of the pieces. On this one, I did all the leaves. I did these little flowers, and I already colored them all. I'm only going to show you how I color the flowers. And that's because it would be here forever if I did all of them. But I'm using for that, and I'll tell you here in just a minute, the blends that I'm using are Polished Pink, Light and Dark, Highland Heather, and then this is our new Parakeet Party. I love this color, y'all. Oh, it's so pretty. This is one of our new in colors. All right, so let's go ahead and stamp, and then I'll get to the box. So let's go ahead and stamp our flowers, because that's the only thing we have left except for our friend. And I always do this off camera, but I'm going to show you that I like to do this to stamp both at one time. So I always put them on a bigger block, and then I stamp them, and I put, this piece isn't big enough. I just grab that scrap really quick. Let me grab the other piece. All right, so here is the piece I'm going to stamp on. So let's re-ink that. And I like to do this so I have them both on there, and I leave the space so that the dies fit around them. Really good. So these flowers are so pretty, and I love the distinct lines on these. It makes it real easy to color. And I don't do anything fancy. You all know how I color. So I'm going to just go ahead, and I'm going to probably just speed this up some so that you don't have to sit and watch, because this may be a little bit longer video anyway. All right, so I'm just going to tell you what I'm going to do. I'm just going to use the light Polished Pink here and the light Highland Heather on this, and then I'm just going to shade it, and then use the Parakeet I used for the leaves. All right, let's go. Okay, so I am done, all shaded, and that's it. Nothing really fancy, y'all. You saw how I did that, and I showed how I did the light and then went in with the dark. So let's go ahead and cut these with the cut and emboss and our dies. I already cut out also the little banner that we're going to use. I just need to stamp that. So we're going to use this one here. I am using mint tape on it to hold it in place, because it just makes it a lot easier. And let's run them through. We'll have to bring the cut and emboss up again when we put the hole in the top of the box. So there's our rose, and then here's our little purple flower. I'm not sure what kind of flower that is, but it's really pretty. All right, so everything, all our flowers and everything are cut out. Now let's get on with the box. So what you need for this is our two pieces that are 7 by 4.5, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do with these here. It's really easy, y'all. So to do the top part, oh, and our window sheet, I forgot. This is 2.5 by 2.25 of window sheet. That's for our little circle that we're going to cut. Now when you're going to do this, you're going to score one of them, and you're going to score them on all 4 sides at 1 inch. So we're going to do that first. This is going to be the bottom of our box. Actually, this is the top of the box. The bigger piece is the top of the box, okay? I got that confused just for a minute. So this one that is 7 by 4.5 is the top of the box. I don't want to confuse them. And sometimes what I'll do here, and I'll do it on this one, I'll just put right here a T so that I don't mix it up, because I need to put the circle, cut the hole in this top part and not in the bottom. So on the bottom one, what you're going to do is you are just going to cut a little smidge off this long side. And I'm talking about just a little piece, like that big. And actually I'm gonna cut it just a hair bit more, because I didn't get, there we go. It just needs to be a tiny, tiny bit. And I'll show you the piece I originally cut off there. It is right there. It's like a 1/16 of an inch, but this is going to help for those of you who hate 1/16 of an inch. So you're going to do the long side, and then you're going to do the corner that shares this long side that you cut. So you're just going to turn it, and you're going to do the exact same thing. You're going to cut a little smidge off of that, just like that. And then you are going to score it like you did the other one at 1 inch all the way around. It's just going to make this piece a little bit smaller so that it fits your box. Believe me, this works really good. And I know a lot of you hate 1/16 inches, so this is why I'm showing you this way. All right, so we are cutting these, and we're cutting them all the same way. So this is the bottom. And you're just going to cut them like this. And then we're going to do the top the same way. I'm going to leave that T there because I did this when I was making this. That's why I got confused. When I first made it, I did it backwards. So I should know by now, but the top piece is your bigger piece. Just remember that. All right. So we're going to take our top piece and we're going to cut our little circle from it using our stylish shapes here. So I'm going to put it to the left of this right here, and I'm just centering it in there. I'm going to run that through. And we have our, save these circles because you can definitely use them. We have our little window in there. You know how I love windows, y'all. If you've hung around long enough, you know I love them. All right, let's sharpen these score marks. All right, so both of them are sharpened. We're going to put our little window in there. I'm going to use wet glue for this. This seems to just work the best for me because it'll dry clear. So just put that on there. And then we're going to put this together. Again, I'm just going to use wet glue. If you want this to go faster, use the Stampin' Sale Plus. So just line up your edges. We're going to put both of these together in the same way. All right, so they're both ready to go. Now this should fit on here just right, just like that. Fits on really nice. Don't take too much off because you want this to fit nice and snug. All right, let's go ahead and put our beautiful flowers on. First, let's stamp our friend because that's got to go on here. Now when you stamp the friend, just be real careful because this is very narrow. So make sure you line it up right, or you can stamp it and then cut it. So there is our friend. And we're going to put on our flowers now. I'm going to pop this up with dimensionals. So we're going to put that on first. The flowers I am also popping up with dimensionals. So let's grab all our pieces here. And then we're just going to glue down our leaves on it. I love the crumb cake. I haven't used crumb cake in so long. I forgot about it. I love crumb cake. It's so pretty. And especially like if you're doing like a bakery style box. And then these double leaves here are going to go on with this flower right here. And then this one I'm going to put up here. And one down here. Don't worry if you get it over your little window. You don't want to cover it naturally. And then our little flowers we're just going to stick in here. And then this one on the other side. Isn't that so pretty? Oh, I love these flowers, y'all. I love these. I forgot something. I forgot my baker's twine. This is new as well. This is the 2022-24 in color baker's twine. I am using the Parakeet Party for this. I'm just going to make a double bow. I almost forgot the bow. So we're going to just go ahead and tie a bow. Just make it the whatever size you like. I like making double bows out of baker's twine. And I think I'm going to make it a little smaller. I think that's good enough. And then use a glue dot to put on the little bow. And I just put it right there. And there you have it. Here's the other one. You could fill this with just about anything, y'all. Aren't they pretty, though? I love these flowers. All right, everyone. Like I said, if you need any supplies, my host code's on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. You can shop from my blog. And also, thank you for watching. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.